Welcome back or welcome. I am all packed, all ready to camp out at Gridlife Lime Rock this weekend. Work in the Nappy Boys booth.
She came in yesterday looking all Sailor Moon and shit.
Before I head off, I do want to apologize again for the short video last week. I just wanted to provide you guys with something.
Hey, don't worry about it.
But this one's gonna be a good one. I got all my supplies, air mattress, a tent just in case. I want to camp out of the Sequoia, but we have options. This drive is gonna be way less than Watkins Glen, thankfully. And I'm actually filled up. I am only gonna stop to get some ice for my cooler and some orders for the night. To Lime Rock we go. Well, this line is horrendous, but we're here. Got my camping pass. I got my wristband, purple. Parked up, right near the showers, right near the bathrooms. Perfect spot. Now, time to set the Sequoia up. I did bring a tent, but I am just gonna set up in the Sequoia. It's gonna be easier. Let's do this quick. Ta-da! It's actually more roomy than it looks. Got the dirty towel in case it's wet out. My shoes, my bed, got my little table over there with my power bank, charge my phone and everything. Got my little fan going on, my cooler and everything under here. And then I'm just gonna leave snacks and stuff right here. All set up nice. Even though it's raining, let's take a look around. I'm gonna bring my phone because I didn't bring an umbrella. Such a smart cookie, I know. I brought everything else I need but an umbrella. I forgot a chair too. I thought I grabbed a chair, but it is actually a table. Stopped and got this sick umbrella from the Gridlife merch tent.
Yeah, you're good on this side, but if you want to just fit between there.
Much later.
As you can clearly notice, I am back in the Sequoia. Not gonna lie to you guys, after I started walking around, I started running into everyone I know. Conversation started, I got lost, it started raining, started hiding from the rain, and now we're back. Not setting up the booth tonight, unfortunately, but we are getting up early to do so. So I'm all set up in my bed. I'm gonna enjoy some snacks and Vanderpump Rules and go to sleep. So see you guys in the morning. Good morning, friends. It got so cold in here last night. I'm gonna have Jordy bring me more blankets today. But I am gonna go hit the showers. So this is inside the little shower room. Cute. So I didn't have time to show you my outfit of the day. I'm laughing because my hair's not done. I have to go find an outlet somewhere so I can blow out my hair. It's not plugging into my power bank, but I'm all dressed. Smith and Austin are literally waiting right there for me, so I gotta hurry the f up. Shout out PJ for letting me use his RV.
God, I'm full of so much gratitude right now.
Are you filming me working out in the early morning? So when you wake up, you're gonna want to get your blood going and you're gonna want to look into the sun.
Right in the sun?
Yes, it'll help you with whatever you're
Eyes
doing.
wide open, just stare, right? You know, good 30-second sun stare, no shades.
You gotta dub in a video of someone's eyes like melting out of their face. Yeah, you can do different variations too.
Muscle mommy moment.
Oh yeah.
This is a workout.
That's gonna help you with all the money you're passing around all day.
Trying to carry all those racks around is exhausting, dude.
It's the exercise I do with them. Snap.
And snap.
Incredible. Back to work.
From one workout to the next.
2 hours later.
Alright, booth is all set up for the most part. Let's get this day started.
Guys, you made it. They let me through the gate. Don't know how. Don't know how.
You want a tour of the booth?
Sure. And me, I'm for sale. $2 million. Kai's 5.
Ryan is also here, so I don't need to stress out anymore running the booth by myself. Big shout out to Smith and Austin though for helping me out in the morning. I love seeing this guy at Gridlife every year. Look at that hat.
What's that? A hat? crazy, funky, junky, hat overslept, hair unsightly, trying to look like Keira Knightley. We've been there, we've done that, we see right through your funky hat.
Are you free?
Free.
Yeah, let's do
free.
a walk.
Is that Yuri?
That is Yuri.
Is that Yuri?
Where'd you get cake?
I heard you like Miatas. Well, mine specifically.
Tyler's Miata's the only. No, we can't do this again.
It is sick. Not as sick as Mr. Tom though. Mr. Tom's the sickest dude here.
Hi.
What's up, friends?
Gonna go back to the booth real quick because my lunch has arrived and I'm starving. What the hell are you driving? We are back at the booth and Jordan dropped off some pot roast. So good. Let's go see T-Pain's new GTR Spam Wrap.
1 hour later.
We're still behind the booth, guys. But thankfully, Jordy got some runs.
Damn right I did.
But he's also leaving us. He's not camping out. That's crazy.
It's a twin size mattress. I'm the size of a twin size mattress.
We'll see him tomorrow, though.
I'll be back. Don't worry, everybody.
We're gonna close up the booth soon enough, and I believe the Drifter movie is having a little premiere thing tonight, so we get to go. See you later. Closed up for the night. We are back at the Sequoia. I just put my stuff away. Jordy brought me an extra blanket, thankfully. Love him. I'm gonna leave the camera back here, switch the phone, and let's go enjoy Gridlife Night 1. That's crazy. I'll laugh so hard.
Were you just driving like you do every day, or how'd you approach it?
I don't really know what to do with my hands. I don't know why. Sometimes I wonder how I end up in these situations where I'm sitting next to Formula D champion Daiyo Shihara and very, very massive movie star Sun Kang.
You had a good planning coming into the scene, into the shoot,
It has been a long night. It's late. I'm gonna get ready for bed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 2. Good morning, good morning. I am already showered. I am ready for the day. My hair is drying, but my campmate, Dave, was kind enough to let me use shower way better than the last one. These ones were piping hot. It felt like I was in the pits of hell. I gotta head down to the booth and open up. Day 2 of Gridlife, let's go. Making my way downtown, walking fast with a piece of green tea. Da-na-na-na-na-na. Time to blow up my hair. Final product.
2 hours later.
It's almost 11 o'clock. We have been non-stop busy already. Meet and greet, ride along raffles. It's crazy. Jordy should be here soon enough as well. We are gonna go exploring a little bit before we get even more busy. Let's check out the car show real quick. Best ride out here. I got my silver Sharpie for Ryan from Toyo Tires. So let's head back to the booth and see how he's doing. Who do you think's gonna win?
I already got the numbers, and they're good numbers.
Meanwhile, back in the lowlands.
Shout out Jimmy, you ruined another vehicle.
Meanwhile, at the Krusty Krab.
It's so bright out. The night is getting old, young. It's still young, but we're about to close the booth up soon enough, and it's almost the end of my Gridlife adventures. But the night is still young.
You know what I'm saying?
We still have karaoke tonight and fun time with friends.
The Wibble-wig.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Jordy's not staying with me yet again. Boo, he sucks. It's fine. We'll see him tomorrow because we need to start our final bout prep too.
The bitches on there.
Hold on. I'm gonna go drop my stuff off, switch to the phone, and enjoy the night. We made it back, and clearly it's very dark. I'm gonna change and meet Jordy.
One pair of pants later.
You're gonna play too, it's two-player.
First and foremost, everyone has a good time.
He seems like a natural talent.
Karaoke was so fun, even though I can't sing. I think I told you guys this, but it's fine. I did my best. I hope you enjoyed me embarrassing myself. I know I did, but Jordy's gonna drive me back to my campsite. He's gonna head home, and I'm gonna go to bed and meet him at the shop tomorrow. Good night. See you in the morning for the last of my solo adventure. Good morning. Woke up to the weather being exactly how it was when I arrived. Rainy. I am gonna start packing up. Got most of my stuff cleaned up, folded the blankets, bags are packed. Now to focus on the front for a little bit, then deflate the mattress, and a little switcheroonie. This is gonna be a little bit. I forgot. Yay! Now to get everything else back here. Kind of better than when I started. Front's all packed up. It's funny enough, I have to stop at Wiring Specialties to grab something for Trappy at the shop. Adventures are not done yet. The steering wheel is so sticky.
Nasty!
Okay, I got wipes. Thank you, Jordan. Now we are off. Gonna miss you, Gridlife. Until next year.
Arrived.
Hello. Because I'm vlogging.
Of course you are.
What do you mean, of course I am? Cut. Trappy owes me big for this one. To the shop we go with my sticky steering wheel. We made it. I don't want to hear any more talk because look what I have.
Lifesaver. I owe you so much. You're the Thank you.
There you are. I've been looking for you.
Trailer maintenance time, right, Kai? Jordy's worst favorite time of the year.
Lights are changed. They work. Jordy did it too quick for me to record. I didn't even have time to hop out of the truck. We were supposed to do bags on the truck, but Jimmy took my pit crew for the weekend. That being said, I am going to end the video here. I will make the final bout prep a whole separate video, of course. You will still see it. Thank you, Nappy Boys, for having me again. Happy anniversary to me, by the way, because this was the event that started it all. Can't believe it's been a full year helping them out. I love it there. Favorite pink booth. Thank you, Gridlife. Amazing group of people. Super happy I got to camp out and share that experience with you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it made up for last week. Please like, comment, subscribe. Check out the merch. And I'll see you guys soon for Final Bout Prep.